Hey, I know we all want to look our best. This is Angela, and today's show is called Exilis Skin Tightening Reclaim Your Youthful Glow. And trust me, it's juicier than a ripe pineapple. Picture this: you're standing in front of your mirror, doing that thing we all do. You know, where you're pulling your skin back just a little to see what you'd look like with a mini lift? Been there, done that, bought the jade roller. But here's the thing: there's actually a solution that doesn't involve DIY face gymnastics. Let's get real about why those traditional methods aren't cutting it anymore. Those $200 miracle creams you've been hoarding, they're basically just really expensive moisturizers. Sure, they might make your skin feel nice, but they're about as effective at tightening skin as a chocolate chip cookie is at whitening teeth. And don't even get me started on those facial exercises. Unless you want to look like you're constantly surprised, they're not going to give you the results you're after. Here's the science tea. As we age, our collagen production takes a nosedive, faster than my motivation to do burpees. By 30, we're losing about 1% of our collagen every year. I know, I'm crying too. But this is where Exilis comes in. And honey, it's a game changer. Exilis is like a magic wand for your skin, except it's actually based on science, radiofrequency science, to be exact. Think of it as sending tiny little personal trainers deep into your skin, telling your collagen to wake up and get to work. It's basically like hot yoga for your face, minus the sweaty stranger breathing next to you. The best part? This isn't just surface-level smoke and mirrors. When that radiofrequency energy hits your tissue, it triggers a response that keeps working long after you leave the office. Your body starts producing fresh collagen, like it's going out of style, and the results just keep getting better. Let me tell you about Sarah. She's one of our clients who came in convinced nothing would work for her turkey neck situation. She'd tried everything short of wearing a turtleneck in August. After 2 Exilis treatments, her friends started asking if she'd found the fountain of youth. 6 months later, she's still getting compliments, and her neck looks better than ever. Seriously, I can't make this stuff up. Now I see you over there thinking about your own skin concerns. Maybe it's that stubborn area under your chin, or those jowls that decided to show up uninvited to the party. Here's the deal: you don't have to just accept it. Exilis can help with all of that, and the results are actually real. The science behind this is fascinating, and I promise not to get too nerdy on you. When we apply controlled heat to your tissue, it creates this perfect sweet spot where your body goes into collagen-producing overdrive. It's like sending your skin to boot camp, but you get to relax while it does all the work. The heat penetrates deep enough to make actual changes, not just temporary swelling that disappears faster than my last date. Listen, there's no shame in wanting to look your best. We all do. But instead of wasting more money on creams that promise the moon and deliver a nightlight, why not try something that actually works? Give us a call at 212-799-1411 and let's talk about how Exilis can help you get that glow back. This has been Angela on behalf of PrecisionAestheticsMD.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and remember, if you find yourself with unwanted wrinkles, let's see what we can do to help. Later.